So hello and welcome to a film Mixologist. Now today what I need to do is, whilst I'm having my coffee, is I need to see if I can fix this Weber carb. That basically what happens is that the starter, the choke, was obviously damaged and somebody tried to drill it out. I'll show you here a bit of a close-up, hopefully you can see it there. So how does this work? Okay, so basically what you need to do is you need to get obviously one that is not damaged in any way, and there are two variables that you need to kind of ascertain before you start. Once is the diameter of this, so this is 7 mil, so this is M7, and the other one is the pitch of the screw. And you do that with this little thing here, which is a pitch measurer, I call it. So this basically, once it's a perfect match, now I know that it's an M7 times 1. So if I use an M7 times 1 tap on there, I should be able to restore this this thread to its original condition, and therefore I can carry on with the rebuild process. Now go figure, it turns out that I do have an M7 times 1 tap set. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to prepare this, and so the way I do it basically is I put the taper plug on, the tap on, and I try to put this in a place where it's solid, and then you just run the tap. Obviously, what in this particular case, I am running a tap through an existing thread because it did have some thread. If you are recreating thread for the first time, it's always better that you go backwards and forwards. And what I am going to do in this particular case is I'm going to use lots of air on the airline because I want to try and get rid of all of the material. So generally if you do this on here, there you go. So let's try this again. And it always is important to try and hold the tap as steady as you can. And I think that's it. Let's have a look. I think we're golden. Let's have a look. So now it's the moment of truth where I get one of these and I try to see if this repair worked. It's a bit tight, that's not a problem. Okay, what I need to do is I need to change the tap. Just 1 second. The second, and the plug, and put the plug one. Second unplug. Okay, so here we go again. Now we do have kind of a thread built up. Yeah, there you go. So now it is cutting a bit more. Hold on a minute. better if you tighten it up correctly in the first place. Just saying. Okay, so let's go back. Bit of air for the top. And let's try this one more time. Absolutely brilliant. There you go. That's it. Fixed.